Hello trader, dollar yen and dollar CAD, two dollar pairs currently showing potential trading opportunity. As we can see that dollar yen from a very important key level, there has been significant rejection, and currently it's coming to a very important daily, monthly, and weekly support level. And dollar CAD as well, we can see there was a breakup structure. Both of this instrument may give us potential trading opportunity in this session. So starting with first of all dollar yen, looking at the multi-time frame analysis before we look at the lower time frame to see potential entry opportunity. Now looking at monthly chart on dollar yen, we can see that from the monthly it is long term bear market. We can see that from here there was a sharp drop, quite a few months of bearish move, followed by previous months we saw that this instrument has formed a long wick candle with a sharp long wick at the top from the monthly, which was a rejection, followed by this month. So we can see that after creating a lower high on dollar yen, the market has made its move back to this support level. Now as the price is maintaining that series of lower high with a multiple rejection, we can see potential bearish pressure here, and the price is approaching this monthly support level, and we may see that potential downtrend continuation in this market. Now if we look at the weekly chart here on dollar yen, we can see that from the weekly also it's bear market. And if we look at the high of those candle, we can see that from the high, this is a key level of resistance, and we saw the market has made this drop followed by created series of lower high. This is the weekly bearish engulfer here on dollar yen, and with that weekly bearish engulfer, the market after cross of this high, after grab is strong liquidity from so far a bearish candle. Now if we closely look at the high of this candle, we can see the market has formed this series of lower high and low of this candle. The market was maintaining that series of high low here. So as this market had a very sharp rejection from the top on higher time frame, what I think the price may try to retest this now weekly support level, which is the 143.6465 level. Now if we look at the daily chart here, what we can see that on dollar yen, from this daily support there was a sharp bounce to the upside with this high, and the price has broken below again with another momentum here. And with this momentum, this is the daily price action where there is a daily bearish candle with a long wick at the top and bottom. And what I think that from the daily, the market may potentially to return back again to this long term daily support level, as there is a long wick at the bottom, expecting dollar yen to come back here to fill that long wick from the daily perspective. So from the intraday time frame here on dollar yen, we can see that it's showing that typical downtrending market structure. From here, this is a complete breakup structure, followed by we have seen a pullback, another drops, which is showing a typical downtrending market structure. The market has broken this support level here on dollar yen, and after break of the support, the price, what we can see that will test this multiple times and slowly trying to reject back again. So from the intraday perspective, as this is the 4 hour candle closing, back to back two long week candle, expecting that dollar yen today to remain bearish in that direction to this support level. So this is where as soon as you will find suitable entry after price action confirmation, we can look for potential selling opportunity in this market. Now let's see that dollar CAD, let's see what kind of trading opportunity we may have. Looking at the monthly again on dollar CAD, as we can see, like the dollar yen, dollar CAD, we can see that it was in a long term historically bull market, but we have seen back to back now on the fifth month this market is bearish, and with that bearish move, expecting that this market to continue to drop, and we may see the prices coming back to this monthly support level. Now if we look at the weekly perspective here, from the weekly we can see that this is the weekly price action, where the market, this is the weekly important level of resistance line, and the price was respecting this trend line. From here we saw that there was a significant drop, pull back to the trend line, and we can see another drop. And we can, after this pullback, the market again pushing back down here, and potentially to come back to this weekly support level. So this is a long term support here, as from this support the market has made its move back to this high. We can see a deeper drop with a continuous series of lower high and lower low with a downtrend, and highly likely that we could see a retest of the support, or even potentially breaking below to create a new lower low. Now if we look at the daily chart here on dollar CAD, we can see that from the daily it's a downtrend here, and we can see the market whenever pushing back to the trend line from the daily as well, showing that downtrending market structure. Now if we look at this move here on dollar CAD, we can see that in that move, with a one single bullish move, has reached that trend line, has broken that, and again we see that there is a bearish move dropping back down. That move may potentially now come back here to this daily support level. So there is a probability for dollar CAD to drop to almost to 85 90 pip from the daily with that movement here. Now from the intraday perspective, we can see a sharp breakdown from this head and shoulder, and with that breakdown it's on a pullback, expecting that dollar CAD to potentially trend back down here to this support level. So this is where, as soon as we will find suitable entry confirmation on dollar CAD, we will be looking to go short with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.